I'm 15. I don't have a mansion. I can't make money. I don't have a 10 out of 10 body. What the freak is wrong with me? This is the mindset I had for so many years of my life. As I'm going through my life, accomplishing a lot of things that all of those losers can't. I'm sat here with good gains, better mental health. I don't go on YouTube. I don't even relapse anymore. I'm actually growing some type of business. And I'm still complaining. I'm still ungrateful for what I have. I'm not appreciative. And like, it's kind of not even my fault because we always just like to look at the highest successful people. I remember looking at Ryan Toy's review. He's like some 11-year-old who makes like toy unboxing videos and gets like millions of views and money and fame and success. And I used to look at him like, why am I not like him? Why? And then I just used to be so depressed. And is it even true that he made that money himself? He's like being different and standing out, like doing some crazy new monetization strategy. Or is it just his parents forcing him to make videos, and if he doesn't, like, deep down he's depressed and just wants to play with his toys? I was so stressed out about this for so long in my life. Like, why isn't my YouTube channel growing? Why am I not getting more ripped? And why can't I bulk up easily? Why am I can't make money right now? Oh, dang it, dang it, dang it. Having those thoughts overplay in my head, I just couldn't focus on anything in life. I would always be worrying about what my YouTube subscriber count was. I was always worried about exactly how much money I made and that like I shouldn't wait. I have to make money right now or else I'm gonna die. Which is not the case at all. I swear if I didn't listen to these false beliefs or these, what's a better word? These false identities that I forced myself to become. Even if I did have that belief, even if I made $10,000 a month, even if I had a mansion, if I had a 10 out of 10 body, I still wouldn't be happy. Because I know I would want more because my mindset was so needy. I need this needs to happen right now. But what happens when you really need something and you like chase something? What happens if you chase a girl? What happens if you try to force yourself to make money? It repels off you. It actually is worse to just want something and work, like, go for it, drive all your energy to do it, rather than just not care about it and just manage it, still do the bare minimum things you need to do. And then it actually comes to you because you're not running for it. You don't scare it away. Well, I didn't realize then what you might not be realizing too is how gifted you really are. Like 99% of people your age aren't doing the things that you are doing. They aren't on self-improvement. They aren't like reading, going outside. They aren't doing those things. They're right now playing Fortnite. They're right now playing video games. Doing so many bad habits. They don't even think about living in a mansion. They don't think about being successful, but they do in video games and, all those bad habits that I can talk about. But just know that, like, you're doing fine, bro. You're better than 99% of people. You're honestly okay. You're doing way better than so many people in your life. And you honestly did better than me. When I was 15, I was still kind of a degenerate. I just started when I was like about to turn 16. That's when I started like getting serious with everything. You're way ahead of me. And you're way ahead of so many people. Like, it's honestly hard to understand how many people we're ahead of. Because we don't look at them. And we don't see the lives that they live. But sometimes when I'm in school, when I'm in some public environment, I see the things they do. I see the amount of TikTok they scroll on. You know the typical, like, what they do. But bro, you're doing fine. At 15, 16, you're doing way better than a lot of people. So you need to hear this. You're still doing well. Keep using that though to give you motivation to work. Just don't let it control you. Don't try to be a perfectionist, bro, because like it's so easy to want so many things and think you can do so much more. But sometimes maybe it's just better to do less. Maybe it's a sign that like that's why you can't make money. Maybe it's good that you're not making money right now, you know? So just think about this, bro. Like you're fine. You're fine. You can't make 10K a month. You don't have a mansion, bro. It's fine. Peace.